guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you something super quick and easy, and that is how to get a big messy bun like this without using a sock or one of those mesh kind of inserts that you can put inside your buns to make them bigger. I love this bun because it's super fun and easy to do. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe below and then we'll begin. And all you're going to need are bobby pins and hair tie.
Start by bringing your hair into a high ponytail. Wrap your hair in a ponytail like you normally would, but don't pull the ponytail all the way through. This way you'll create a loop with the ponytail and continue to wrap it around until you're done. And now you'll gently loosen it to make the bun bigger. Once the bun is big enough, you can start taking your bobby pins and pinning down the bun. You can move around pieces to reshape the bun into the way you want it to look.
Hopefully this tutorial helped, and I'll catch you in the next video.